beds go. This is some of the material that we've managed to scrounge together to make up our own wicking beds. This is a swimming pool liner that was in my folks' saltwater pool. It had sprung a leak, so they've ended up replacing it, but I've kept that material. And this here is a stack of 20mm SHS steel that was used for signage. The signs are gone. It was due to be recycled, but I've just said, can I grab it and use it instead? So we'll use that to make up the legs and the frames for the wicking beds. So we ended up getting some fresh weld mesh, which will make up the gabion, which will come across here, a gate into the chooks, and then we'll be putting all our wicking beds down that run on the outside wall, through on this wall and across there. So this will be our nursery area. That'll get the veg above the chooks. As you can see, they've decimated everything below head height. The lily pillies will grow in and continue now that they've survived that far. And worm farm, poo farm, and all that. He chooks down there. Alrighty, up out here. This is the printer's courtyard. And this is an old fire door that we had left over. Obviously the first fire door we use as the entry to the workshop, which is off this way. Just say, these are the things you've done.
No, Martin.
By clamping the steel and just pulling it over. And now, just finish off the corner, the bend. Right, jigsaw, fix the problem. Here we have a trailer load of limestone spool, or biscuit rock as it's called, to fill in the gabion. And that's the lunch bell. And here we are, filling the gabion with the limestone. Wade is sitting in front of the gabion wall. Schnoozle. So we've just planted in some herbs on the front. Got the lights there ready to go. And then we've got also in the top a bit of a planter box as well, which will be a wicking bed arrangement. The gate is welded, joined onto the wall. Just finishing off the catch and the artwork. And the chooks. Hey chooks. Tok, 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 tok. Happy chookies? Happy on their side over there. And so we'll be. Is it good? It's good? Do you approve? Show it to get me fish. In the little side garden there as well. So this little printer's courtyard has had a remake. And it looks really quite lovely. The grapes overhead, lovely blue skies.